Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming developer program membership and that you have App Store Connect access. This avoids permission delays. Next, make sure your bundle ID, version, and build number match App Store Connect, and install the correct provisioning profiles so your build signs cleanly. Once ready, archive the app in Xcode and use the organizer or transporter to upload the build. Doing this first collects all required metadata and gives you a build ID to reference in the next steps. Once your build appears in App Store Connect, create or open the app record and enter core metadata like name, primary language, and SKU. These fields drive discoverability. Then upload screenshots for each device size, write a concise description and localized keywords, and provide contact and support URLs so users can get help. Make sure you select pricing and territories, complete the app privacy answers, and set the age rating. These choices determine who sees and can download your app. You finish by selecting the uploaded build in the app record, answering export compliance and content questions, and then submitting the app for review. This action moves your build into Apple's queue. After submission, monitor the review status and respond quickly to any reviewer notes to avoid delays. If something goes wrong, check your build logs, provisioning entitlements, and that all required assets and localized screenshots are present. Fix those issues, increment the build number, and reupload to clear the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.